told them how close I was, and they didn't. Let go.
I'm not the little school, but all have next to that. That's where I live.
Shaking ass in a deli. With my bitch got a daddy. He like him already. I'm a million Gucci. I'm gonna fight bitches like shout out to Lucy. If she back then I let her seduce me. I'm the shit, I'm that bitch, I'm his groupie. Show her panties. She shake it like jelly. 100 bands of Chanel, but I'm still shaking ass in the deli. With my melody, your bitch is petty. Your bitch is a petty. They're back in your pot already. Come to you get a daddy. You get him out, get a wedding.
Snapchat and what? Alexia Star Music, baby.
That my best friend. She. She don't need no nigga on the dance floor. She has good free drinks and she's working out in a strip club. You know my girl gon' flip and she twerk and she throw it back and throw it back in.
watching you.
Is that my bestie in a taxi? Fresh slow, but asking on town. She's ready, but you love both. When we get up to the scene, every feel with jealousy. Get a bitch to the key.
I know, you swang on her. You hit one swing and she was to the wall, bro. I wasn't even had it with Benny. I said, no, like, I drank something. How was it?
Talking the energy, hit a phone with a free like bitch. Guess what? On a
Me, Alo, and my friend Donnie, like, penis game.
and come back in. That's my best friend. She a real my best friend. If I dig a freak, I can work some fuckers to the deep. If you bad for me, if you make
There's a wine, there's a sweet, sweet
Don't have to be stressful.
Come on, girl. I'm just reading sex and the guys are happy.